on another storm chasing trip, now with Lexan windows and the weather station on top and our new anemometer. It's supposed to be, there's blizzard warnings in effect. Hey, Barkles, that's a bird. I know, it's true, I know. Barkles is coming with me, because Mom had the not so bright idea to let Barkley come with. So Barkley's coming with, we got his food, we got his jackets and whatnot, so he's good. But it's supposed to be 55 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Barkley does not like the idea. I'm telling you right now. There yet. We do have snow. Just in between Allen and Shelton. We got snow, slight dusting on the road. Not road, grass and trees and whatnot. Snowing fairly heavily, actually. Well, not heavily, probably light to moderate snowfall right now. Huh. There's some sleet starting to mix in, I believe. Just down past Olympia now. Yeah, fairly heavy snow. Every once in a while, loud ping of something in my windshield, which I think is sleet. Somewhere down. Wherever it is. I'm going to take this rest area and see what type of precipitation is following. The beastmobile. Snowing slightly. Very lightly right now. Barkley, I'm assuming, wanted to go outside for a little bit. I'm sure he'd love that. We're only like 30 miles from Vancouver now, so we'll just see. About an inch of snow in the areas that accumulated, starting to accumulate on the pavement. And we're still about 30, 40, 50, I'd say probably 40 miles out of our target area for today. We are in extreme winds right now. Starting to get some snow, rain, sleet mix. Potentially with some freezing rain mixed in. We're just about to the blizzard warning area. You can see the snow off in the distance. It is crazy windy right now. Like, wow. We gotta hang on here. We're starting to get into some real snow. Wow. Okay. We got snow on roads and pretty extreme winds happening right now. Shaking the car out there. Whoa, huge wind gust again. Wow. Woo! That is fun. Okay, we don't have the wind muff on, but we're gonna go out and show you guys how it's like. Here comes a wind gust. And we're not even close to the river yet. This is gonna be huge. Oh, here comes the wind gust. Here comes another one. Wow. Here comes one. Get ready for it. Good boys, little sleep belly. Whoa! Whoa! Good boy! Oh! Alright. All ice. Oh my goodness! It's supposed to be gust up to 70, but I mean, like, that's probably, I believe that was 30, 40 mile an hour wind gust right there. We're shaking the car again. Maybe up to 50. Barkley needs to use the bathroom, but I'm not sure he wants to go out in this condition. I'm just saying, Barkley. We might need to get the chains on if it gets more slippery, because the roads are pretty icy. We'll check it out if we start having trouble, we'll put the chains on. Because just then I was just sliding sideways down the road, so we gotta put chains on for traffic. What is it, Barkles? Want outside? You want to go out in that? I gave you food, water. What? You probably need to use the restroom. Wow, it's really windy here. Wow, there's like a dust settle thing. Barkley, you're gonna have to nip it right now. I ain't taking you out in this until we get to that little park there. Okay, got it? Okay, I got the chains on. That was intense, because the guy behind me was yelling at his chains like a maniac. I understand though. Okay, I got the chains on. Still slightly slippery. Look at that right there. Wow. Wowee. But I got hit by one gust that pushed me up against the car and it was just pelting my face. I got hit in the eye with something. That hurt. Barkley really wants to go outside, so we're gonna it's mission impossible now to get to this town that I want to stop and watch this blizzard that's happening. Oh, there goes a little snow NATO. This is insane. When they put out warnings, they really mean it, Barkles, okay? It's blizzarding. There's snow going off the house right there, blowing off. It's blowing in front of us right there. It's trying to blizzard. It's not really a blizzard, it's just the winds that make it a blizzard. I mean, like, it's not like less than a quarter-mile visibility. It's not white out. Oh boy. Look at that. Look at that right there. Whoa. We're getting somewhere. I want to find a little road. Whoa. 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 Okay, it's really windy through here. This bridge might be a lot of fun. Until this evening when the moisture hits, it's gonna be like white out. Only got some swans out there. What the heck? I was not expecting that. And we got some food. Barkley's looking at it like I want some. Pulled over, gonna get some food before we continue our journey. Visibility is probably reduced to half mile right now. I think I might head up to where I was when I put on the chains. I might need to put them on again once I get up there. But the winds were insane out there, probably 60 plus miles an hour. So, we'll just see. So, off camera, I got stuck in that ditch over there. I just backed up a little too far and there I was. But anyway, someone pulled me out, so that was fun. But now we're intercepting. Lexington's holding up. Wow, it's really windy right now. And the snow is flying up through there. So my plan is to go get the gloves on and maybe go climb up into that field, because that field, I mean, like, just look at that right there. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Golly, it's flying through there. In fact, we're actually going to go up some of these hills and see if we can find them. I mean, find some other cool spots with super high wind. Wow. Golly. A little too fast in my opinion, but hey, do whatever the hell you want. Whoa. Okay, we're getting hit. Whoa. So far, the highest winds we've recorded is 60. Wow. chains on now. Things are flopping around right there, right, Bart? Little connecty things aren't connected as they're supposed to, but actually I'm gonna go ahead and check the chains, make sure they still work properly. But we got pretty darn crazy winds right now. Alright, I'm gonna go outside and check the chains. Starting to get blizzard conditions, at least right here anyway. Because right now we just have blowing snow, but for a second there I could not see a thing in front of me. Back, whoa. Whoa, that's a huge snow devil coming right at us. Woo! Woo! And there it crosses right there, little guy. Oh, we got some more wind coming out. I may need to go get some more gas. I'm just under a quarter tank. Wow. Wow. Alright, awesome. Just had whiteout conditions a second ago. Blizzard's really starting to ramp up right now. Driving down the road around 10 miles an hour. It's crazy with the chains on there. Probably shouldn't put them on. Every time I put them on, I regret it. But look at this right here. I need to do the winter wipers. Oh wow. Blizzard conditions out here. Wow. 60 mile per hour wind gusts so far recorded. And up to 8 inches of snow by tomorrow at noon. Wow. Insane blizzard conditions right now. Wow. Wish us luck. This is all ice. The pavement is all ice. That's from the freezing rain. The wind is pushing me. Look at that. Look at that. Good glory. That is all ice. I did not know that, but that is all ice. Rain. The ice, the road is completely covered in ice, the fence is covered in ice. I did not realize it, but it's freezing rain. I came here right after the freezing rain, so everything is just ice. Without these chains, I'd just be sliding. Here goes another wind. Alright. I did not realize that was ice until I stepped out and the wind blew me across the road. Okay, I had a long experience. I locked myself out of the car. No joke, no horsing around. I locked myself out of the car for I believe about 4 to 5 hours, sitting in the back of a state patrol vehicle waiting for a locksmith to come because he was the only one around to actually help me. So, the car in front of us was the locksmith. 5 seconds, had it open and good to go. After $300 later, I'm not letting that happen ever again. I'm letting you know right now. Barkley was so happy to see me. I was so happy to see Barkley. I need to let him out because he has not gotten to poop all day and he's been trapped in the car in a blizzard for 4 hours. Man, there's a lot of snow out here. Whoa. Today has been fun. Traumatic. Depressing. exciting. Pretty much everything. This is the highway before Olympia. Blowing snow, ice and snow. Probably gusts to 40, 45, maybe 30 actually. Probably actually more like 35. It's almost 10 o'clock, probably around that actually. I'm gonna go sleep in my hands. I gotta put this away, I gotta focus on the road because it's a little treacherous right now. Wow. On the other side of the freeway, you can see what I mean. Pretty much dead stopped. Got a crash up there. Where the blinking lights are, I'm assuming. Okay. This is super slippery. Where the heck are the plows? Okay? The plows aren't out here. No salt, no anything. For braking, I got the brake and the emergency brake. But we made it past that by just driving along the shoulder till we hit the exit. And that's how we got here. It's probably a good 3-4 inches on the ground, which is awesome. Hey, we actually got traction now, which is awesome. But I mean, I went down a super steep hill, and that was flippin' scary. Okay. Oh, here comes the... That's where the slippery stuff comes in. Okay, back to focusing, but it's super pretty out here though. It's like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch of snow. It's slippery in spots, but bro,